This model of the week is a Dinky Super Toy, a Pullmore car transport truck, and it apparently has capacity to pull and carry 4 cars, of which you see here. Dinky Toy delivery service. And it has a ramp that goes down, and a different accessory is the loading ramp for this, which attaches to the upper deck and has ability to have the cars go up and down the upper deck of this transporter. And this is a separate option. And this Dinky Toy is in mint condition. Never played with, not even myself. It has a nice blue cab. It's a Bedford truck. Here's the other side. The top deck has slots here to keep the cars from falling off. Again, the ramp that encases 2 cars in the lower deck. So, this mint Dinky Toy car transporter was made between 1953 and 1964 in Great Britain by Dinky Toys, and it rolls freely. And this is a mint example. So this made the model of the week, the Pullmore car transporter by Dinky Toys. Thanks for viewing.